How to verify YouTube account on phone. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can verify your YouTube account on mobile. And if you don't know how to do that, then this video is going to be very helpful for you. So make sure you watch this video all the way till the end. So as you know, you cannot verify your YouTube account on YouTube app, but you can verify your YouTube account or YouTube channel in youtube.com using any browser. So first open up any browser on your smartphone. And note, the process will be pretty much same on Android and iPhone. So once you open a browser, go over to youtube.com. And you must be signed in to your YouTube account. And if not, simply sign in to your YouTube account using your email and password. Once you sign in to your YouTube account, click on this profile icon at the top right corner. And click on your channel. And now here, you need to enable desktop mode on your browser. So if you are using a Opera browser, click on this three dot icon at the top right corner. And I think it is same on Google Chrome as well. And here you need to enable desktop side on your browser. So click on here and desktop mode will be enabled in your browser. So after that, click again on your profile picture and click on settings. And now here, just zoom in and click on channel status and features. And it will take you to the advanced settings in YouTube Studio. And here you can see features that require phone verification. So if you verify your phone number in your YouTube account, your YouTube account will be verified. So if you verify your phone number, here you can see what features you can enable. So once you verified your YouTube account, you will be eligible to upload videos longer than 15 minutes. You will be eligible to upload custom thumbnails to your videos. You will be eligible to do live streaming. And also you will be eligible for uplink content ID claims. And this is one of the important settings if you are starting YouTube. So to verify your phone number on your YouTube account, here click on verify phone number. And here first select your country. And then here select how you want to get the verification code. So here I'm selecting text me the verification code. And now here put your phone number. So let me put my phone number real quick. After putting your phone number, click on submit. Now here you need to enter the 6-digit verification code that YouTube sent to your phone number. So let me check my verification code. And here you can see this is my verification code. I'm gonna copy it. And now let's go back to Opera browser. And let's put the code here. After putting your 6-digit verification code, click on submit. And here you can see, congratulations, your YouTube account is now verified. And this is how you can verify your YouTube account on phone. And if you found this video helpful, please do me a big favor by hitting that like and subscribe button. And if you want to add thumbnails to your YouTube videos on your phone, watch this video and I will see you in the next one.